Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is PMS, subject Social Studies, grade 7, lecture number 16. Chapter number 5, Industrialization in the Muslim World. Open your books, page number 25. What is mean by industrialization? The development of industries in a country or region on a wide scale is called industrialization. Students, tell me the names of some items which you see in the classroom. Yes, fan, furniture, books, notebooks, dustbin, etc. Where they are made? They are made in different industries in the country. Why do we import different items such as computers, mobile phone, luxury goods, or luxury cars, etc.? Because we do not have the industries that manufacture them locally. That is why we import them. Can you name some countries that are highly industrialized? Yes, Japan, America, UK, Germany, France, etc. Do you think Pakistan is an industrialized country? Pakistan is not an industrialized country because it does not have a strong industrial base. We do not manufacture heavy machinery. Industrialization in the Muslim countries. Industrialization is the most important factor in the development of a country. Why? Because it creates wealth and improves the economy of a country. The countries of the Muslim world have started in this field much later than the West. Two major reasons for this are that the colonial powers. What is meant by the colonial powers? The policy or practice of a wealthy or powerful nations maintaining or extending its control over other countries, especially in establishing settlements or exploiting resources. The colonial powers did not encourage industrialization in Asia. Why? Because it was the source of cheap raw material for their own factories. Number second reason, there were not enough high-grade iron ore, which is the basis of heavy industry. Until the discovery of oil and gas reserves, energy to run the factories was also a problem. There was very little high-grade coal in this region. Muslim countries, for example Pakistan, Bangladesh, the Muslim countries of North Africa such as Egypt, Algeria, Sudan, etc. Why these countries are not industrialized? Why these countries are not industrialized? Mainly because they were under colonial powers that were not interested in their industrialization. Other factors that prevent industrialization in the Muslim world are shortage of coal and energy, which is the base of industries, lack of iron ore on which the heavy industries depend, lack of skilled workmanship. These are the other reasons for their late industrialization. Why Pakistan is not an industrialized country? Pakistan remained the colony of Britain. Britain was more interested in the subcontinent's raw material, for example cotton, to develop its own textile industry and earn better profits. Why even after independence Pakistan could not develop its industries? It was because of lack of financial resources immediately after independence, lack of skills, low literacy rate, and the absence of a strong industrial policy by the government. The country moved forward in the 60s during Ayub Khan's tenure. However, industry had developed rapidly now, although it is still based mostly on local agricultural or mineral products. Today, apart from Indonesia, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, and Iran, which are fairly ahead in industrialization, other Muslim countries are also beginning to develop their industry. Malaysia is the most developed country and produces high-tech goods. What are high-tech goods? High technology goods such as electrical equipment and electrical appliances. What is appliance? A device or piece of equipment designed to perform a specific task. So it produces high-tech goods for local use and export. However, compare that Malaysia with an area of 333,000 square kilometers and a population of 25.3 million produce the same amount of industrial goods as Switzerland, which has an area of 44,000 square kilometers and a population of 7.3 million. There is comparison between the industrial output of Switzerland and Malaysia. Switzerland is far ahead in the field of industries. जितना अमाउंट मलेशिया प्रोड्यूस करता है उतनी ही स्विट्जरलैंड, जिसकी आबादी और रकबा मलेशिया से बहुत कम है, उतनी ही स्विट्जरलैंड भी प्रोड्यूस करता है. And what is the reason? The difference is, of course, is that Switzerland has probably reached the peak of its output, while Malaysia and the other Muslim countries have great scope for further development. मलेशिया और जितनी भी मुस्लिम कंट्रीज है, इंडस्ट्रीज की फील्ड में अभी उनको और भी बहुत ज़्यादा काम करना है. The chart on page number 26 shows the industrial output as GDP. What is GDP? GDP means gross domestic product. It means the value of the total produce within a country during a given period. The chart shows the industrial output of the biggest non-Muslim industrialized nations and the leading Muslim ones. The industrial output of the remaining Islamic countries are too small to be included on this graph. Look carefully. Page number 26. Green color shows the Muslim countries. Look at USA, which is far high in the field of industries, and the Muslim world need more work in the field of industrialization. Now it's time to note your homework. Do reading of page number 25 and 26 and learn question number 1 of chapter number 2.